So Rob, this right here is the episode where we literally start talking about working with the client. Now, we got a client that is like ready and we are going to offer a particular solution. So you all get a chance to look over our shoulder and see how we get down. Now, if you see something you like, great. You can work with us too. So you get a chance to see this. Now, Rob has some very specific things. Rob, can I show you first the dashboard that I created that talked about it? I sent over the summary of here are some things I think we can do. Now, some of these things in the actual video, y'all, I'm gonna have to blur out because, there's some proprietary stuff in here. All right, so let's take a look at it, Rob. And we get a chance to take a look at it together. So great. So here it is. So right now, everybody, I have a chance to put this together. And again, some things you won't see, some things we'll leave in. But Rob, as I walk through the diagnosis of what we had determined from our discovery call, although I hate saying discovery call, it was our discovery call. And I was able to put together a solution stack, a revenue calculator, an investment. And I'm going to walk through this because Rob, guess what, y'all? Rob is only seeing this for the first time, too. And he loves to give pushback, and I love to hear it because when we work with a client, that's the energy. Y'all get a chance to see this, and this is how we would work for you and your company. So what we determined, Rob, as you notice, where was the money in this guy's company going? The first thing we saw was time theft. And Rob is big on... Hey, right. Where you putting your time? I can't even get on his calendar sometimes. He won't let me send something on Sunday to watch on Sunday because it ain't on the calendar. I'm just saying.
There's already something there, right? Your priorities go on your calendar, and you got to make sure that you are telling your time what you're doing with it rather than the other way around.
That part. So listen, this is kind of the work that we do, y'all. So we put something together really, really big. And start looking at it, breaking it apart. We mastermind on it. And we saw a couple of areas: time theft. We saw lead leakage. Yeah. And then we saw no phone coverage.
Yeah. And just really quickly to give everybody kind of a background, again, not get too much into the details of the particular client, but know that this is a company that has been around for some significant time. It's been around for a little bit over or just about 30 years. And the company is doing 7 figures in revenue, but it's got about a 7-figure leak in it as well with all of these things that we're talking about. And the person that came to us talking, figuring out how we can help them with the company. One of the big things was they're trying to figure out how they can get more done in less time and how they can do it with less employees because they're not running their business profitably as they would want to. And that's one of the things that Randy and I love masterminding on, because the key thing about it is there's often really elegant but simple solutions that we can help people to implement so that they can make sure that they're taking home more of that hard-earned money that they put into their business.
And that's a part of it. So as we start looking through this, we saw no phone coverage, and then we saw, as a result of some of these things, look at this. There was a problem. There was a problem in the business, which oftentimes happens. Somebody come in and they did some bad things, and now you're trusted. You've got a problem. You've worked with some contractors before, or somebody just didn't do the work. They took your money, et cetera, et cetera. So we've got those kind of opportunities. Now, we like to look at problems as opportunities, right? But look at this one. Remember how he says, hey, I got a whole bunch of people sitting in QuickBooks that are just dormant. Now, we love when we hear stuff like this, because to be 100 with you, when we come in and we help you get those dormant customer bases back in activation, that becomes an immediate win for you. And we have some very specific techniques on how we do that. We can't share those with you, but whatever. And then we talked about his positioning. How are people finding you? So we start thinking about the website, and it's not doing anything at this particular point. It's like a billboard.
Yeah, but their SEO is amazing. It's a lot of people driving by the billboard. It's just nobody doing anything with it.
And if they did, guess what? Because we've got no phone coverage, lead leads to lead leakage. Okay, so
100%.
everybody, y'all get that. So here's what I want to show you, Rob, is that we've got some nice, beautiful graphics here. And we think about what we can literally do as we mastermind on this. All right, so that's that, y'all. Now let's look at the solution stack. Now, some of the things, again, we may have to blur out. But when, Rob and I are looking at it, we see that, without mentioning it, Rob, we see that this is a possibility.
Oh,
this
definitely.
is something you had sent me.
Yep.
All right. So now here are some suggested areas that we hadn't talked about, but I think you get it. I see each one of these as whether we're using the tool that you had talked about or one of these.
Yeah, definitely. The how is less important, and we know that there's a solution for that. And I think for those of you all, because I know that we're probably not going to go into depth in these, but one of the things for you to know is that we basically have a solution for every one of those leakage areas that we were talking about. And again, it's not a solution where the business owner has to do a whole bunch of different things. We have partners, we have groups that we work with, we have solutions that we are aware of in the marketplace that we bring and can help and are going to help them implement that eliminate those holes in their bucket. And so that's the beauty of it. When you come and you work with us to mastermind, the cool thing is it's not just us kind of pontificating and thinking about stuff. We're actually giving a very clear roadmap and a pathway to get to the destination that you're desiring to get to. So that's the part that I love about this. And I love the tool, like this tool that Randy has. This is the first time that I've seen the output of it, but I know what to expect because I know what stuff that he's connected with, the stuff that we're doing. And this is the beauty of it. And it's very clean. It's very clear. It's very obvious what is attached to what. And I know we've got some of the stuff blurred out, but if you look over, we can tell what's the most urgent thing. We can tell what's the high level and high impact things. And right, that's the phenomenal piece, right? And these are some of the tools that we have just for the stuff that we do, let alone what we bring to bear for our clients.
All right. So next one is then we start thinking about, okay, Rob, when we are talking to our clients and we want to find out, hey, how much trouble are you in? What's this worth to you? And we like to put it out here. If you can concentrate in one area, then what that can do for you. So we have, in this particular case, now this is an internal tool for us that we use for different clients to determine or use for you in determining things. But we start, ratcheting this up. Look at that, Rob.
Yeah, I know. And the cool part, and just to, again, for the audience, one of the things to pay attention to, and this is the stuff that you get from us, right? This was not what he was originally calling us about. This is not what he was originally talking to us about. But one of the things that we know is this: our job is not to try to get our clients to spend money for no reason. So it's important for us to know what's the value of this problem. What is the potential bonus or the potential earnings that you can have if this problem is solved, so that we know what the cost is of inaction. And we also know what the potential upside is, because one of the things that's most important is how do we get the biggest upside with the lowest amount of risk possible. That's one of the things that you get when the two business guys are masterminding on the business, is that we're not sitting out here just trying to sell any old thing. The fact that we're so entrenched in understanding AI solutions and learning these things is so that we can reduce the cost of these solutions. So I love this tool, and this is this tool. Again, it makes it obvious for the clients, because this is the work that Randy and I do behind the scenes. But now we've got tools where we can make it very obvious what actually is going on. And
we even are upfront with you. And we say, hey, listen, here's what we are going to, just to come into this thing, the investment that we anticipate that you will be more than happy to make. As you notice, Rob, right here on the bottom, it tells you, hey, listen, if we get, based on implementing our tools and implementing our system, if we get him an additional $200,000 project, then what we're asking for is literally a 20x return.
Plus, yep.
Okay?
Yep.
Now, I don't know about you, but if I hear, hey, here's the investment and here's the return. And you're not telling me, oh, this is some crypto wallet gaga. You're saying, wait, this is real numbers. If I now, because I implement the system and I invested in you all this amount, the potential to get this because you freed me up to do the things I do best. Now we're listening to what our client is saying. So we don't come in and just shovel onto you a tool.
Exactly.
Or a process. We listen. So when we ask for our investment, Rob, you see here, either right here, or right here. Right? And then we say, here's what this is going to cost. This is for the discovery call. This is for the strategy deposit. When we start talking about our building things out, one of the things Rob and I typically will do is, and this is something that we mastermind on too. We say, hey, listen, for our time and attention and the things that we do out there and the kind of masterminding we're doing, let's go out there and in a period of time, at least put ourselves a goal. Now, we're taking into consideration the market. We're taking into consideration timing and all of these kind of things. But if we can give somebody a 20x return, then it's not even, typically it's never even a question if they're going to write that check to us.
That's
it's
the
like,
whole
how
point.
fat, don't leave the room, guys, kind of moment. All right.
Yeah.
And then we look at it from this part here, the 30 days to the new machine, if you will.
I love it.
So we start talking about week 1. We start thinking about week 2, week 3, week 4, and then day 31 plus, right? Not buried in it. Our clients back in business, not buried in it. 24/7 opportunities for this. Every lead is done this way. Now, again, we're saying enough and, we're blurring out some things out of respect for our client, et cetera, et cetera. But this is the kind of stuff that when we're talking and we're masterminding on your business, that we do. Rob, what are your thoughts on this so far?
Yeah, like I said, I think that the tool is phenomenal. And the work that we did, the cool part is I love that we've kind of honed in how we work with clients so that when we got off the phone with him, you and I both stayed on for a little bit longer because we were super excited about all the things that we had seen. Because in our discovery call, one of the things that we do that I think is, again, it's distinct and different from what happens with a lot of people in the industry. Our goal is to figure out not just what is your pain point, but what is the thing that is the most impactful thing for you. It's not just, hey, here's our solution. Let's figure out how to stuff your problem into our solution. The goal is to really figure out what is going to be the thing that frees you up. What is going to be the thing that gives you transformation, that gets you out of being in the business and helps you to be running and paying attention to working on the business. And in that space, I think Randy and I were so excited because these were like, when we heard the problems that our client was dealing with, we know that we can solve those. And it was so, like, sometimes you get on calls and you're like, no, that's not me. We got to pass them to somebody else. But this call was so powerful because we knew that we could solve this problem. And he's going to be so happy as we get done with it. I remember I just got finished talking to one of my other clients, a coaching client, and it was so awesome because he's now on pace to replace a former 6-figure income in the work that we've done over 8 weeks. And the thing that was so awesome was 8 weeks ago when I was talking to him, when I knew we were going to be working together, I knew that he would be here. And it's such an awesome thing seeing the transformation happen and seeing the clients when they are so excited about what the future holds, because now he's here. He's replaced an income that he didn't want to have to keep doing because it was pulling his attention away. And now he's able to focus. He's able to do things. The masterminding that we do, I think Randy and I are different in this way. We truly care more about the transformation that happens for our client than everything else, right? Like, we can make money in lots of different ways. We run different businesses, we do different things, but this work that we do is so important because we want to make a tremendous impact in the lives of our clients. And that's why I'm super excited about, when we get ready to talk to the client and present this to him, because I think he's going to be super excited. And that new tool, I love it. It presents it way better than the ways that we were doing it before. So good work, Randy.
Thanks, y'all. Hey, that is it. We wanted to just share a little bit kind of behind the scenes. Y'all get a chance to look over our shoulders and go, oh, that's how they do that stuff. And we enjoy not only being able to let you in on that, but also allowing you to say, well, wait a minute, I got a problem like that, or I know somebody that's got a problem like that, and put some of the things that you've seen in front of those folks. So now for that, sometimes we go, and here is a couple of bucks for putting us in front of this person. Call it an affiliate, call it whatever you want. But of course we do that. So if that's you out there, if your company, if you heard what we have shown you or seen what we've shown you today, and this is something that you want to work with us on, we've got some capacity, limited. Rob's busy, I'm busy. But we bring in so many clients per quarter to get this work done. We like to focus in on it so that we can do a good job.
Right. What he's saying is serious inquiries only.
That part. So in the meantime, we'll talk to you on the next video.